What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights in the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. Shout out to the whole DD Nation pulling up on me. We got another Shiba Inu video, y'all. So this one's talking about promising developments pointing towards sustained price growth. So make sure y'all give me a like on the video ASAP if you already haven't. Also, shout out to the Vegas Inu token high rollers, man. Salute to all the high rollers in the building. Also, all the OGs and double OGs to the channel as well, man. The layer 2 network shibarium continues to make great strides, as recent happenings in the ecosystem suggest. These developments have also further reignited the bullish sentiments among many in the Shiba Inu community, as they predict an upward momentum in the token's trajectory. shibarium standing strong. shibarium has continued to make great strides since relaunching after its botched launch. The network recently launched its name service, which provides an easier and more seamless way for users on the network to transact. So if you're not familiar with the SHIB name service, that's where they release the .shib addresses. You know, you think the Lucy.shib, Satoshi.shib, first sell SHIB name .shib, you know, all these different dot type of names, which are, the purpose of them is to be able to easily find someone that you want to send a transaction to. And I believe they even will eventually have a messaging service attached to this. So let's say you wanted to send money to Satoshi. Instead of having to figure out the long transaction address with all the different characters and numbers, instead of that, you can just type Satoshi.shib, similar to the ENS domain names as well, where you see people with the .eth names like Bob.eth, etc. So shibarium has continued to make these great strides. The network also seems to be generating a lot of buzz and utility, as the node provider NowNodes recently announced that shibarium was one of the best performing networks in their ecosystem in recent times. So here's that tweet from NowNodes saying, "shibarium Net was one of the best performing networks in our ecosystem this month. Our team prepared a milestone report dedicated to the success, most recent updates and highlights of the networks. Get into our new threads at nownodes.io." So there's an article there on their website talking about it, basically saying that, you know, is for all the different tools and DeFi products that they're offering in their network, Shiba Inu is getting the most attention. So that's a good sign that, you know, shows that the team actually did deliver something that people want to use, because NowNodes was a company that was standing on its own previously to shibarium. So the fact that shibarium is adding even more benefit and value to what they have going on over there is a good sign for us that people are likely to adapt to shibarium more and more as we move into the future, as people become more familiar with it, as developers start to build more user-friendly tools and you know, projects from shibarium. So according to them, they have processed over 66 million requests to shibarium since launching shared access to the shibarium RPC full node in September. Meanwhile, they also highlighted plans to bring shibarium to big exchanges and wallets. As a part of these plans, the next steps includes finding liquidity providers that will help these exchanges and wallets fully integrate shibarium. One such exchange could be the Australian-based GroveX, which announced that they were in the process of integrating the network into their platform. Meanwhile, on-chain activity on the network continues to rise. According to data from the Network Explorer shibarium scan, the network is close to hitting the 4 million mark in terms of transactions processed. shibarium is also currently seeing an average of 14,000 daily transactions. So that number, you know, it's a decent number, it's a respectable number, but, you know, we would like to see that number higher, but we know that it's going to climb much higher as we move into the future. Now, this ain't financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence, you know, research, never risk more than you're willing to lose. But that's just my speculation when it comes to Shiba Inu. Like I said, as more people start to build more user-friendly things for shibarium, people will use it more. Atomic Wallet reportedly adds support for shibarium. In a post shared on her X, formerly Twitter platform, Shiba Inu's marketing lead Lucy mentioned that some token holders in the shibarium community informed her that the decentralized wallet Atomic Wallet has allegedly added shibarium to their platform. So here's that screenshot from that tweet. Exciting news, says Lucy. Just heard from some holders that Atomic Wallet has added shibarium to their platform. shibarium, boom. Take a look at that right there. So it does appear that it's added in this screenshot here. Then the article continues and says, however, this move is yet to be confirmed as the decentralized wallet hasn't released any statement about such integration. Neither does shibArmy seem supported on the wallet as time of writing. So someone from this Bitcoinist must have, used the wallet and tried to test it out themselves to see that, shibArmy isn't actually live, but they may just be in the process of adding support for shibArmy. So back in January this year, Atomic had mentioned that they were going to support shibArmy upon the Layer 2 network launching, but nothing has been said to that effect since. If eventually confirmed, such news will undoubtedly be bullish for the ecosystem. Such a move could see Atomic's 5 million plus registered users get onboarded into the network and further increase the demand for the ecosystem's utility tokens. Shiba Inu is currently trading at that 507893 level, up over 2% in the last 24 hours, according to data from CoinMarketCap. So let's give a look real quick to CoinMarketCap, see what we have going on. So overall market sitting at 1.31 trillion, down 0.25% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin slightly under 35K at 34,892, down about 0.5%. Ethereum at 1880, excuse me. And then we got BNB at 244. We got XRP at 67 cents, Solana at 40.31, ADA at 34 cents, Doge at 7 cents. Nice. Finally see Doge break up into that 7 cents again. We got Tron at 9 cents, Timecoin at 230, Link at 12.54, up 2.75%. We got Matic at 70 cents, Dot at 4.75, Litecoin at 71.34, and Shiba Inu 18th place by market cap, sitting at that 508106 level, up 1.1% in the last 24 hours. So it is looking good for Shiba Inu as we head back on that road to delete a zero again. I think that's coming very, very soon, y'all. As the market continues to do this right here, it's nice to see we're on a pullback. We're on a red day at the moment, and we're still sitting above that $1.31 trillion market cap. If we can hold this level and continue to break up and climb from here, that's going to be extremely bullish, and we'll likely be seeing Bitcoin at 36, 37K in the near future. So let's take a look at, let's start off with bad idea today. Okay, so we see a slight pullback, 0.25% in the last 24 hours, sitting at 703836. Volume is up 86%, sitting at 1.5 million in the last 24 hours. We got, and let me go back just so y'all can see bad. We got leash at 307. Just dropped down to $300.94, down 1.78%. So there's bad idea at 703836. And let's take a look at Bone, 69 cents. So basically the same as where it was yesterday, down 0.24%. So just down slightly right now. What we're seeing happen is, so it looks like the market wants to push up right now. Is Bitcoin going to take back? It looked like Bitcoin wants to go back over 35,000 right now. So you take a look, overall crypto market cap just hit $1.32 trillion. So it is nice we just flipped into the green. We're likely to see Bitcoin probably roll over here to 35,000 in a minute. But yeah, the market wants to go bullish, y'all. As we continue to see this number pull back but hold over that 1.31 trillion level and move from there, that's going to make a lot of people get excited and likely bump this number up. And as this number continues to inch up, FOMO will kick in more and more. If you take a look at the fear and greed index, you see we're at a 73 from where we were yesterday at a 72. So meaning people are getting more greedy or more excited. And that's all we got for this one, y'all. Check the links in the description section. Also, if you want some free stocks, free crypto, I got that down there for you, as well as more information on Vegas Inu token. Come check us out here at Vegas Inu token. All the information to this project will be linked in the description section of this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.